Congratulations! Once you've made the call and scheduled your installation appointment, the hardest part is actually over, and you're well on your way to putting this process in your rearview mirror. It's normal to have questions about your installation appointment, but at LifeSafer, we make it easy. All our installers are thoroughly trained on the installation process and device usage. In addition, all LifeSafer installers are state certified and will make sure your device is installed and working correctly. Your installer will check to make sure any required paperwork is completed prior to starting your installation. Then, they will take your vehicle to a bay to complete your device installation. While your device is being installed, you'll have access to a quick training video to watch while you are in a waiting area. The entire process will feel like taking your vehicle for an oil change. Quick, easy, and discreet. Most installation appointments from start to finish take 1 to 2 hours. You can either wait at the installation location or leave and return when your installation is complete. Once your installation is complete, your LifeSafer installer will thoroughly train you on how to use the device. Use this time to ask questions. Our installers are more than happy to help for as long as it takes you to feel comfortable with your device. You will pay your installer directly for the installation appointment, and you will be good to go. Your installer reports your installation appointment as complete, and LifeSafer will make sure your monitoring authority knows as well. This starts the clock on your ignition interlock requirement time period and puts you another step closer to completing the process. LifeSafer installers are top-rated. With lower turnover rates, more experience, and better training than other providers, you can feel at ease with the LifeSafer installation process. Call us now to schedule your install at a location near you.